Hey friends, I'm Naomi from EJ's Fun Crafting. Today I took a break from my cutting machines and sublimation to make a fall wreath. Let me show you how easily I did it.
This is Craft Lady! What did you
To start
do?
with, let me just tell you that all of these are materials I already had at home. I didn't have to go look for anything. But, you know, as crafters, we always have stuff in our stash. So, I had this grapevine wreath. It's from the Dollar Tree. And these burlap leaves I did get from the Dollar Tree this season, so not too long ago. So, they may still have some. I kind of just sized everything up to see where I wanted it. And then I started out with the burlap leaves, the large burlap leaves. So I had two colors. I had the brown ones and I had the orange ones. At first I thought about just layering the orange ones out along with the brown ones. But then I realized that, you know what, I have a lot of the smaller leaves that I'm going to put on top that are orange. And so I decided to just stick with going through the brown ones on the bottom, and I think that made for a very nice bottom layer for this wreath. So then after I put the three, I used three, I kind of staggered them out a little bit, turned them different ways, and then I just started layering the different colored smaller leaves on top. I think these are satin leaves, I can't remember, but anyways, those are from Dollar Tree as well. They came in a big old package, and I always have those on hand because I use them with the kids a lot. So I started just adding those, layering them on top. They're different colors, so I have some oranges in there, some yellows, some of them are just red. So I did that. Then I have this burlap pumpkin. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. I had the burlap one that was all brown, matches the leaves very nicely, a little bit of a contrast. And then I had the plaid orange and white ones. I put those on either side of it just to add a little bit of, to balance that out a little bit. For my final touch, of course, my wreath needs something to hang on. So I added just a little loop. I had two different ribbons that I used. I used some plain burlap ribbon. Well, this one's not burlap. It's kind of like, it's not burlap. It's a brown ribbon. And then I put the wired burlap on top of it. I just ironed it on. I just glued it on there and burned my fingers. Came out like I wanted it. And then for my final touch, I used this super cute little bling from Totally Dazzled. And so here it is on my door. I hope you like it, and please like and subscribe. I've got lots more where that came from.